guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Favor and I'm so excited to have you back here. But if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you for coming in today to check out me. Thank you for the support, thank you for the care. Today I've just come on to announce a very important something for you guys. So I'm going to be starting a series talking about various ways to move to the UK, the easiest way to do it, some of the challenges you might face and how to overcome them, okay? Whether you're a professional, like are you a nurse, are you a doctor, a pharmacist, a radiographer, or an engineer, a computer scientist, an IT person, and you want to move to the UK, I'm going to be making series of videos to explain every step along the way, okay? Then I'll make videos about students who want to come and study self-funded, who want to come and study on scholarship, how to search for scholarships, how to self-fund yourself and get an admission. I will talk about non-professionals that want to migrate to this place. You want to come as a caregiver, you want to come as a healthcare assistant, you want to come maybe as a driver, as a cleaner, you know, a non-professional job like factory jobs. I will make videos explaining every step along the way, okay? The easiest way only, the easiest way, guys. And I'm not the only one that's gonna be making all those videos. You know, I'm a nurse and I'm very aware of the different steps different medical professionals take to get their jobs and migrate to the UK. So based on my own experiences, I'll be speaking mainly about how to migrate as a nurse, and I'll be bringing on board medical doctors, radiographers, other students, okay, both the self-funded and the ones that came with scholarship, so they can discuss with us different obstacles they met at every stage, how they overcame it, how they got themselves to the UK, okay? So I would advise you to do where to click on this subscribe button and to click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every step along the way, because it's gonna be a series, like I said. On each video I will talk about a particular stuff, and another video I'll talk about the next one and the next one, and you don't want to miss any of those, okay? So I'll quickly brief you on what you need generally if you want to migrate to the UK before I talk about why you should, okay? Generally, if you want to migrate to the UK, you must have a sort of sponsor, okay, a sort of sponsorship. It can either be from your employer, or maybe your spouse, or maybe you're self-funding, just to show that you can sustain yourself here for the first few months of arrival before you can start earning your own salary, okay? The second thing is English test, okay? Some people say if you're coming from Nigeria and maybe you studied in English, blah blah blah, you don't need English proficiency test. I'm here to tell you, no, you need that, okay? It's either you take it in Nigeria or you take it in the first 3 months when you arrive to the UK, okay? You cannot say those exemptions are for those from European countries, okay? Other European countries, and you studied in English language. They're the only ones with that exemption, not us, not African countries, okay? So you must have an English proficiency test to migrate or to start any sort of work or school in this country, okay? The third one is that you need to have a proof that whatever reason why you're coming here is a valid one, okay? If you're coming to work, you need to have your contract properly signed by both parties. If you're coming as a student, you need to have your offer letter from your university. If you're coming as a spouse, you need to show evidence that you're married to this person, you know, your wedding certificate and stuff like that. So you need to prove to them that there is a valid reason why you're coming to this place, okay? So I would just interest you with some of the reasons why you should migrate to the UK, okay? One, the economy is very strong, okay? Just take a look at their currency, convert it to Naira and tell me what it is, okay? They have developed industries where you can further improve your career. If you're coming here to work, you can further improve your career, and then with work experience here, it's impossible not to get work in any other part of the world, okay? Two, the strong healthcare system. Like, their economy is one of the strongest on earth, so is their healthcare system, okay? The healthcare system is very strong, and for one, it is free, all right? Once you've paid your health insurance and you've arrived, you are getting every healthcare service for free of charge. You don't need to pay any extra thing for your health when you fall sick. Okay. Third one is how powerful their passport is. I don't think there's any country in the world where you can go into with the British passport. Okay. Most countries allow British citizens to come into their country visa free, at least for a period of 90 days. Okay. I'm talking about those that are planning to settle down here, go through the settlement route and get your passport. The passport is one of the strongest in the world, okay? And for those of you planning to come and study here, UK is home to most of the best universities in the whole world, okay? And apart from that, this place, the sense of security it gives you, I'll just talk about my personal experience. Since I moved here, my mind has been at rest. You won't be scared that next time you're stepping out might be your last. This country is so secure that you feel so safe no matter the time of the day or the time of the night you want to step out of your house. Okay, when I was in Nigeria, I used to be so scared while leaving the house because I don't know what I'm going to meet, whether I'm going to meet an accident with the bad roads or whether I'm going to meet a drunk policeman that will just shoot me for no reason and go scot-free. When I go out here, even if it's 3 a.m. in the morning, I know that I'm safe. I know that I'm secured, okay? This country is one of those countries where the security system is so high. We have CCTV cameras on the road. You feel so secured, right? You're not panicking when you are leaving the house, okay? If you want me to continue, the list is so long. Everything is so easy here. Is it the internet? Is it the facilities that you can easily access here compared to our country, Nigeria? The list is so long about the benefits to moving to the UK, all right? So guys, make sure you watch this space. Make sure you watch this space. Click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell, okay? Because you might not be here the day I'll post something relating to you or related to you, okay? It's better you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post every single video in this series, okay? So that you won't miss out on anything, all right? I'll have to run now and I'll see you in my next video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget it, okay? Love you.